this orchid last week. It's so cute. But I don't know how to take care of orchids, so I'm gonna do some research and hopefully she lives. This is the Muji Gel Ink ballpoint pen. This is my favorite pen to write in my planners and journal with. I have the 0.3 and the 0.5. For highlighters, I really love mild liners. Sometimes I get these comments that say, you're not even typing, you're just on Spotify. I'm usually typing off camera over here because if I showed you what I'm working on, I would have to blur it out and I don't know how to do that. So you just get to see this. So if you need a visual, this is what I usually show. And then this is where all the actual boring work stuff gets done.
And these allows you to do
8,000 steps, yay! And to end the workday, I gotta feed the kitties.